Building on the solid tradition of the Yetter 5000 Stalk Devastator, we now introduce the 5000 Cover Crop Devastator. Yetter Manufacturing's 5000 Cover Crop Devastator is specifically designed to roll down and crimp cover crops with its chevron pattern rollers. These rollers are mounted to the toolbar and are spring-loaded, so they can easily follow variable heights in the soil. The Yetter 5000 Cover Crop Devastator is available with different mounts for nearly all applications, which offers you maximum versatility. Rolling and crimping your cover crops helps with regenerative agriculture, which reduces carbon footprint, reducing herbicide costs, preventing erosion, moisture retention, reducing synthetic fertilizer costs, improving soil health. And in addition, rolling down covers helps keep soil temperatures cooler and reduces plant stress. The Yetter 5000 Cover Crop Devastator. For more information, contact your Yetter representative today at 800-447-5777 or online at yetterco.com.